Hello, in front of me I have got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you offensive hot routes replay. In the beginning, let's go to Skills Trainer and go to Pre-Play. Enter offensive hot routes.
Here we go.
Hot route the primary red route receiver by pressing Y. Call a flat route and complete the pass before time runs out. Enter Pre-Play and press Y.
Gun. Shot. Eleven. On one, ready? Stop! Here we go. 11, Thomas. 11, Mighty. 12. Here we go. Eleven. On 2.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.